Hi, this is Kimberly. It's time to spill some more arrest tea. I hope the last video I did made sense to you guys. It didn't to me. Well, after my telehealth call, I was ordered to go to the fire station to have my blood pressure checked because, according to my home blood pressure monitor, I was no longer among the living. Well, I went there and it was still very low, but not enough to have them give me a ride to the local hospital. I spoke with my doctor 2 days later again, and by then I had laryngitis, even worse than this, and a very congested cough, pain in the right side of my ribs, front and back, and I woke up with a temperature of 104.8, and I was starting to get shortness of breath. This shit that I'm telling you is not in order of happenstance, because I'm all over doing timelines and shit for the moment. I went to the ER, and that in itself was an adventure. Felt like I was in the twilight zone, but I'm too fatigued to recount the whole ER visit, perhaps another day. Long story short, I was pushed out the door with double pneumonia and 4 prescriptions and orders to go to a COVID-19 testing site. My doctor was convinced I had it. The ER doctor was convinced I had it. I had every single symptom in the book, but tested negative. The cleaning person was on the ready to disinfect my hospital room the second I walked out. I may or may not talk about my experiences of this later. Y'all can ask questions below and perchance I will address them later, but I was gonna spill some more arrest tea of piece of shit grouch, but as you can hear, I'm not really in the mood. But you guys are very sweet. Thank you for all the kind comments and shit. So I will talk to you soon. I'll pick up with the damn timeline. God, everybody else has gotten theirs done by now. Oh well, mine's different and special. Thank you all for your well wishes. Much love and peace. Thank you for listening.
Some people have a deep, abiding respect for the natural beauty that was once this country. And some people don't. People start pollution. People can stop it. Write for Pollution Booklet, Box 1771, Radio City Station, New York.